Yeah, let's talk about this. A video shows a bunch of looters raiding an Amazon truck. In other words, a video shows a bunch of black people, niggas, robbing the truck in the hood. So you see, all these it must have been at least 15 to 20 stealing shit out of the truck. You see this lady in a black shirt, not a black shirt, I'm sorry, a blue shirt or jacket, trying to stop these guys from robbing the truck. And that's the only white person there trying to stop a bunch of niggas robbing the truck. So we know what the next scenario is going to be. The Amazon driver, or even the lady in the blue shirt, blue jacket, like call the cops, the police gonna show up. All these dudes there, robbing the truck, robbing iPods, expensive clothes, things that people ordered, people waiting for this shit, they never get it. The police shoot one of them. So what happened next? Al Sharpton, even I think Black Lives Matter, show up on TV, organize a protest, a march with these cockroaches robbing a truck. This is unacceptable. This is really unacceptable. The moral of the story here is life is a boomerang. What you give is what you get. This driver here is trying to make a living, delivering packages to people so he could feed his family, and you out there robbing this guy, looting his truck. The police come and one of y'all gets shot. So do not come on TV. I repeat, do not come on TV and post that little video, just that part where your husband or boyfriend got shot, laying on the floor, begging, projecting the image of an innocent man claiming to be the victim.